Battery and performance. 3,000 mAh battery offers same performance as predecessor. Plenty of power under the hood keeps Android 8 smooth. For those of you hoping for an improvement in battery life on the Samsung Galaxy S9, we've got some bad news. There isn't one. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S9 with the same 3,000 mAh battery as the S8, and we're told this will offer similar performance to the S8. That's not a terrible thing though, as we found the Galaxy S8 could easily last a day on a single charge, even with moderately high usage. And there has been an upgrade in the power department, with the Samsung Galaxy S9 packing the firm's own Exynos 9810 chipset everywhere apart from the US. Due to the need for specific carrier network support, the US variant of the Galaxy S9 will use Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 845 system-on-a-chip to ensure it works with all the major carriers. Both chipsets are paired with 4GB of RAM, which is 2GB less than what's inside the Galaxy S9 Plus, but it still provides enough grunt to keep the Android 8 Oreo operating system running smoothly. Samsung's TouchWiz UI has been plastered over the top of Oreo, although it's a much lighter presence these days compared to the versions running on the likes of the Galaxy S2 and S3. It means Android is still familiar, and operates in a natural and fluid manner. There's 64GB of storage packed into the body of the Galaxy S9, while a microSD card port supports cards up to 200GB, allowing you to expand massively on the internal offering.